Talent Rise has been at the forefront of executive search, executive coaching, and leadership development since our founding in 2008. We've built our reputation on providing flexible, customized leadership recruiting and organizational talent solutions for mid to large market employers across the US and Canada. We're proud to be proud of the Aileron Group family, which allows us to offer a comprehensive suite of workforce management solutions to our clients. When organizations do invest in proper executive integration, supported by coaching methodologies, they see dramatic improvements in retention, performance, and overall team dynamics. This is where our distinguished speaker comes in. I am honored to introduce Rachel Gosier, who will be presenting Closing the Gap, How Coaching Can Transform Executive Integration. Rachel's not just any executive coach, she's a master certified coach, holding the highest credential within the International Coaching Federation. Rachel brings over 23 years of professional experience to her coaching practice, including 14 years in leadership roles where she managed technical delivery and operations across multiple products and geographies. This isn't just theoretical knowledge. Rachel has walked in the shoes of the executives she coaches. She understands firsthand the challenges of stepping into new leadership roles, managing through organizational transformations, and building high-performing teams under pressure.
We're going to talk about the whole experience of joining a new organization. Now, I think we've all been there. So I'm going to ask you all to take a minute and sit back a little comfortably. Those of you on your phones, maybe take a pause from your phones. Yeah, so sit back in a way that your back is upright. Right? Make sure your feet are firmly on the ground so you're well grounded. Yeah? Put your hands on your lap or on your knees, whatever feels comfortable. And take a couple of nice, deep breaths. So breathe in completely, breathe out completely. And if it feels right, feel comfortable and feel, it's totally okay if you want to close your eyes. Yeah? And what I want you to do, I want you to go back in time to a moment when you were joining a new organization. And I know we've all had that happen in our lives, right? All of you sitting here are experienced professionals. So go back to that moment when you were joining a new organization. Perhaps you were coming off from or leaving an organization you were not too happy with, and hence you were making that shift. Or maybe you were making that shift because you had a new strategic option open up and that just felt right for your career. Maybe you were joining something that you hoped would become big, and maybe you were getting away from something that had been really bad. Either ways, when we change jobs, we always hope that we are going to a better place. So I want you to go back to that moment when you were joining a new organization and just connect with that moment. Think of that time when you were walking into that organization and just check in with yourself and remember, how were you feeling in that moment? What was that feeling? Can I maybe hear a few words? What was that feeling when you were joining a new organization? Excitement, so there was excitement. There was intimidation. Anxiety, yeah. Fear, yeah. Because when you do join an organization, it is a risk. You hope it works out. You definitely want it to work out, but you never know if it will, right? You don't know what you're walking into. And the interview process, you could have had 2 interviews or you could have had 8. You don't really know what the real working experience of being in that organization is going to be like. And that is the reality of every new person walking into an organization, whether it's an executive or it's an entry-level employee.